this is your first time viewing my YouTube channel, I just want to say I am sorry. I am sorry for using clickbait title and a clickbait thumbnail, but I have approximately 2 months and 2 weeks to achieve 1,000 subscribers before the year ends. So I gotta use every trick in the YouTube book that I can. But today is actually going to be I think my last shipment in October. All right, so here's how the store is doing so far. So I actually did 477 in sales. So I put in 184 and then did 477 in sales. I didn't actually make 477. If you want to dive deeper into how much I actually did make, let's see. I actually am sitting at a negative $1.04 in profit for the month. The reason that is because the seller fees that come with selling on Amazon. So it's like 40 bucks to sell to Prime members, and actually this is not even negative $1.04. I don't have the software fees put into seller board right now, so I'm actually probably sitting at a negative 40 something dollars, because seller amp is like $22 and Keepa is like $20. So yeah, I'm actually sitting at a negative $40 in profit. But I mean, if I started with 84, if you subtract what, $40 is like 140, and then subtract another $40 to sell on Amazon, so I pretty much started with like $100 to sell. But anyways, hopefully next month I should have more money put into the business to make a profit. But that's how the store is doing so far.
If y'all are ever wondering what's in this tank, this is what's in it.
Hold up 1 second, I gotta get a YouTube thumbnail. Should I do like the classic like point? Anyways, I have to prep some stuff that I haven't prepped yet, because my products have gotten here a few days ago, and I haven't prepped it yet. But I gotta talk about some stuff, some business stuff. I want to go over a valuable lesson as to why you never want to go deep onto a product. So recently I was selling on one product and the listing got shut down. So when that happens, any inventory you have left on that listing is going to get stranded. So the good thing, well, the bad thing is that I have products that's going to get stranded. But the good thing is I didn't go in too deep, so I only spent like $12 to sell that entire product. So even if I never get that product back, I'm only going to lose like $12, which is not a lot. Actually, I sent in 4. I sent in 4 and sold 1, and then the listing shut down. But yeah, that's a little valuable lesson for y'all, not to never go deep into a listing, because things like that can happen. And you can also get IP complaint, or somebody can file an IP complaint on you, and you probably won't be able to sell on that listing, which will then keep you stuck with other products. But I also have to be honest with you guys. So I don't know what I should do, but I really have a goal to try to get to 1,000 subs by the end of the year. And I think the best way for that to happen is if I start doing product research videos again. But I'm gonna be honest, I freaking hate doing those videos. Like, they take forever to make. It takes like 35 to 40 minutes to record, and then to render them it takes an hour and 30. Sometimes my software crashes while I'm rendering, so like I'll be rendering for like an hour, the software will crash, so the whole video won't fully render, and then I have to restart the render again. And then, yeah, and then that stuff happens. But I know I have a high chance of actually reaching 1,000 subs if I start doing them again, because they bring in views and they bring in subs. Because people seem to love watching people do product research. I do not. Product research is boring, but it's important to do, but it's extremely boring. So let me know if you guys want to see product research videos again, because I did have a goal to do 100. I'm at 86 right now, so I have like, let me see, 2 months, 2 weeks. If I pump out like 2 a week, or sometimes 3 in 1 week, I'm pretty sure there's enough time for me to make 100 before the year ends. It's just I need to just record them. But I hate doing them. They're so annoying. Well, they're not annoying, they're boring to make. Hopefully y'all can't see that. I don't know, I may blur it out. If not, I'm pretty sure if you shop at Walmart, you'll know what this is, but you just probably won't know what flavor it is. Oh man, it's gonna be tough. I don't know. I think I should saran wrap it. Probably will saran wrap it and then tape it. This is a pack of 8, so. And the good thing is I'm only selling 1 unit of this because it's a test. Everything I send in is always going to be test small. The only time I'll send it in again for the next shipment is if the price doesn't move or it stays the same. All the stuff that I sent in last week, the price changed and one of the listings got shut down. So I'm probably not going to send in a replen for any of those, but I still have my eye on them in case the price changes and it's more profitable. But for now, it's probably going to be new products getting sent in. Like right now, the products that I'm sending in now, right here, are all like new stuff. They're all test leads. I don't know how I'm gonna. Alright, so now let's just tape it so that it doesn't move around. Alright. I think that should hold. Yeah, that's not going right. Okay, everything's all prepped. Time to label and ship. I hope everything will fit in this one box. I only have one box. I didn't go buy any boxes. Oh man, I don't think everything's gonna fit.
Oh wait, I actually might be able to make it like this. Oh my, everything did fit in this tiny box. I really hope I didn't show my address. Okay. Perfect. Let's keep that here. Alright, so I need to get my laptop. Okay. I gotta put the expiration dates on these. Because all of these are like food. Well, this is food, but the other thing is OTC medication. And some of that stuff still expires too. Alright. Alright, time to pack everything in again. It's time to get the weight of this. And then to ship everything, it is going to weigh 7.6 ounces. I'm probably going to put 8 pounds. Alright, so this entire box to ship is, it's going to be $6.17. I have 6 units, so that's like $1 a unit. That's not good. But I think the reason is because I have such little like units to send in. If I had more, the shipping per unit is probably gonna be more cheaper, but I gotta work with what I got right now. So let's go ahead and accept that, and then go ahead and send this thing to not the UPS store, because wherever I live, there's not a single one in sight. So I have to drop one off at a UPS drop off, which is pretty annoying. Put this on the same side. We're gonna try to take off. There's a label on here at the bottom that I'm probably gonna rip off. I can't find my Scotty peeler. Alright, I might just tear it off. And I got it. Okay.
Okay, so I think I pretty much covered everything I wanted to talk about. Well, it was I think it's hot in here. It was not shipping in a lot, and then should I keep doing product research videos? Yeah, that's it. Also, I think I should connect with y'all more. So I'm not gonna make a Discord, but Is there any ideas that you guys want to see besides product research videos? Like, I don't know, like any Amazon questions or videos any of you guys want to see? Let me know in the comments below. That's pretty much it. I gotta go to the UPS drop off, and then I probably gotta buy inventory tomorrow, not today, because I don't have money to buy inventory today. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching the video. If you all stayed all the way to the end of the video, I'm pretty sure most of you guys probably cut off around the 4 minute mark, because that's when people quit watching my videos. But the true ones stayed all the way to the end. So I'll see you in the next one.